Me po, when I heard the stories, it was just like, kinakabahan lang. Kasi po, I was freshman and
Dali.
You feel na, no, I don't want to do that, baka may mangyari sa akin or anything. Wala, meron bang ganun? O wala?
actually,
For me, no po. I was, because honestly po, I would do anything po to win the championship. So I was just really locked in sa goal po. So
You were just what, sorry?
locked in to like win
Locked in.
win the championship.
Na-brainwash
I
na
don't
sa-
think of any negative po.
Na-brainwash na sa cult-like supremacy na bebop ni Coach Baldwin. Ganun ba yun?
Okay. Sam?
for me po,
Bata kasi is first year eh.
when I heard the stories, it was just like, kinakabahan lang. Kasi po, I was freshman and parang I was very new. Pero nung like, this year po, I was excited because we were parang kompleto na and we were trying to be a team na talaga po, na itaas po yung chemistry.
So you did not feel that you were in danger, or you did, because earlier you said, syempre, when you're taking in water, you feel you're about to drown, you think you're not gonna make it, I'm about to die here in Aurora. Doon ka lang, doon mo lang
That's when we
naramdaman.
felt it po, yeah.
I'm sure marami kayong narinig, right, about all this information.
Wala na to. This is PR na Pia Hontiveros. Okay.
I mean, for example, na bukod, even after they announced that Rene and Divine had died, may chismis, may rumors that merong in critical condition, merong kailangan i-revive pa, yung mga ganon. Was that true or not?
No, wala po.
No po.
Wala.
Ang pinakamalala lang po is, nagsusuka na lang po sila sa beach.
Yes po.
They were puking out the water po.
Okay. But no one had to be CPR, i-revive, i-resuscitate para maano yung tubig. So everybody,
Nagsusuka.
except for those two, for Rene and Divine.
Okay, nakita niyo yung footage na nagsusuka. Nung na-recover si Rene, okay, this guy, Sam Reyes, is trying to make it look like na buhay pa yung tao, or na, alam mo, iba yung meaning ng nagsusuka sa napasuka. Kasi yung bangkay na na-recover, for example, yung nalunod na bangkay, it's possible na mapapasuka siya pag nagkakaroon ng CPR. Okay? That's science. May lalabas at lalabas sa tubig sa bunganga ng isang bangkay. And the term used by Sam Reyes is nagsusuka. May mga nagsusuka. Sabi niya, although he's not naming names, pero ganoon yung implication nun.
Okay. Okay. And no one was in critical condition. Walang ganon.
Wala po.
Were you aware of all those mga kwentong lumalabas? Were you aware of that?
No one was in critical condition. Dude, 2 men died.